Let's be honest about something. A lot of you guys like to tell yourself, oh, I'm going to start working out tomorrow. Oh, I'm going to start waking up early tomorrow. But you never do it. And I'm going to tell you exactly the reason why you never done it. And I'm going to show you and tell you how to actually do it. How to actually build real discipline that you can implement in your life. So I'm going to give you a couple story of mine before I get into this. I was around 14 years old before I actually really started working out, right? The main reason I started working out is simply because I was being bullied in school, and there was this guy. He was kind of basically bullying me every time we played school football. But then I couldn't defend myself. I was this small guy, skinny, short. I'm basically 5'7", and then this guy is like basically, I think 6'1", very taller than me. But then I couldn't fight him. He's skinny just like me, but he's taller than me, which makes him bigger than me. So he's a big motherfucker that basically messing with me every time, and I don't know what to do. Then I'm like, all right, if I want to stand a chance and get these tall motherfuckers, even though I'm a very, very short guy, what I have to start doing is working out, learn how to fight, be strong, be fit. And that's what I literally started doing. And so what I'm trying to say from that is, if you want to become disciplined, there is a reason. There has to be a reason why you want to become disciplined. Discipline isn't something you say, oh, I want to be disciplined, I'm going to become disciplined. It is something you want to do because of something. If you want to become rich, you can't just do nothing. You can't just do whatever you like in tomorrow. You can't just keep procrastinating if you want to become rich, because you will never become rich. So you have to have a reason. Even if you want to become rich, there has to be a reason you want to become rich. Get out of poverty, save your family, all of those kind of things. There are reasons why you want to do something. So if you want to build discipline, you have to create a reason. So another part you want to be doing is make it harder for yourself to quit things. So there was a time, okay, let me give you a quick little story of mine. So there was a time when I used to play chess a lot, right? And then I was very, very bad when I started. Then I kept getting better. But then there was this crazy guy. It was very, very good. And then it just come along, bit me in the fucking chest. And then I almost gave up. Simply because the thing is, you could be disciplined. You could be the best fighter in the world. But then if some big ass motherfucker, basically, some smarter guy that is better than you, basically, make you lose in the thing you've been training your whole life for, you'll take it personally, of course, and then you start to think you're not good enough. The best way to combat that is to know that this guy is good because he's probably have been training way longer than you have been training. So you want to basically distinguish yourself from quitting. You don't want to quit when you get into being what you want. So I'm disciplined. I'm going to keep staying disciplined no matter what happens. And you want to make sure your old habits don't get back to you, all right? So you want to make sure all those habits that you've already quit, you don't go back to it. Whatever you've left in the past, live in the past. The past doesn't do anything to your future. It doesn't define your future. You can change anything about yourself anytime you're willing to. Don't let all those things hold you back. Make it harder for yourself to quit. Make it harder. Make it almost impossible for you to quit. Whenever you're feeling like quitting, just don't. You just not quitting builds even more discipline and resilience. It makes you way tougher. So that's one of the mentality you must have in life. And this is the last step to build discipline. So you want to make sure you get comfortable doing uncomfortable things. So what I mean by that is, you don't want to wake up at 5 a.m. in the morning. It is very uncomfortable. It is nauseating. But I would. Simply because even if you just do it like, let's say once a week, waking up 5 a.m. one day a week, what that trains your body is, all right, there are some time when things are not going to go smooth. So it trains your body and your mind together. There are some times when things are not gonna be smooth and comfortable. So I'm gonna adapt to being uncomfortable. What that means is whenever there is any unpredictability that just happens to show up, your body and your mind will be prepared for it. So, alright, I don't give a fuck. I've already know how to deal with uncomfortable things. So, why not? You want to train your mind to think like that and to be like that if you want to become disciplined. And if there is anything you get from this video, get this. Being disciplined isn't something you want to be. Being disciplined is something you must have a reason to be. Have a purpose to be disciplined. You can't be mediocre. If you're basically mediocre, you probably don't have any responsibility. You don't have any big dream in life. You probably just want to keep a 9-to-5 job. You probably just want to stay okay, not doing too hard. But you want to become disciplined, it's probably because you want to dominate in this world. You want to become like some fucking Zuckerberg. So that should be one of the biggest parts to become disciplined. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comment and I will read it. See you in the next one. Have a good one.